Open the Steam console, press Windows key R, type Steam Open Console, and hit Enter. This opens a black command window. Download the previous file in the console. Type the following command exactly: download _depot 10869301419652823106720565692. Important: don't add any extra spaces or characters. Press Enter to execute. Wait for download. Steam will download the old file. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Locate the files, navigate to your Baldur's Gate 3 installation folder. This is usually found at C Program Files x86 Steam Apps Common Baldur's Gate 3. Replace the file inside the bin folder. You'll see the file baldursgate3.exe. Delete this file, but make a backup just in case. Move the downloaded file in the same bin folder. Find the downloaded file named baldursgate3_previous.exe. Rename this to baldursgate3.exe. Launch the game now. Try launching Baldur's Gate 3. Your script extender should be working again. Conclusion: with these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of the BG3 script extender not working. Enjoy your modded gameplay experience. Additional tips: make sure to keep an eye out for any future updates or compatibility patches for the script extender to avoid similar issues in the future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more BG3 tips and tricks.